Hey guys, this is Nick with PhoneArena and I'm here in Barcelona where Samsung announced the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. With new flagship phones come a bunch of new features, including AR Emoji. Nope, I don't think I'll be using these personally, but I thought I would give you a preview anyway. So, what are AR Emoji? Well, think of these as virtual avatars. The Galaxy S9 uses the front-facing camera to scan your face, and the visual data is transformed into a smiling character that hopefully looks just like you. And if you do take a closer look, you will see your own facial features there. Samsung uses facial tracking technology to make your personal emoji mimic your expressions. And yes, you can make it wink together with you. As far as personalization goes, you can pick things like different clothing, hairstyle and skin color for your avatar. And in case you want to try something a bit more amusing, there are several characters to pick from, including one that you should be very familiar with. That's cute and all, but what can you actually do with AR Emoji? You can send them to your friends, of course. Once you generate yours, the phone will make a set of 18 GIF animations that you can send as stickers on apps like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. Or you can record a video with your avatar speaking, just like this.
Hey guys, my name is Nick and this is Samsung's AR Emoji.
This. At this time, I don't want to draw any conclusions on AR Emoji, especially when the Galaxy S9 I used for this demo was a pre-production unit. But it looks like they might require extra work, especially when it comes to face tracking. On the other hand, you gotta appreciate that AR Emoji are so open. They're usable with third-party applications, and the person on the other side can see them, no matter what device they have. So this was our quick preview of AR Emoji on the Galaxy S9. Let us know what you think in the comments and check out our website phonearena.com for more Galaxy S9 coverage.